Signature Assignment by Rachel Goodfaster. My community is Roseville, California, which is located about 20 minutes outside the capital of Sacramento. The population is currently at 141,492 people. Caucasians make up 68%, Hispanics 15%, Asians 10%, African Americans 5%, and other/multiple ethnicities 2%. After doing the community scan, I realized that my city has a lot of resources available for those in need. For example, homeless shelters, food pantries, medical clinics, clothing outlets, bathing facilities, intervention groups, mental health, substance abuse groups, and places like the Gathering Inn. During my interview with Megan from the Gathering Inn, I learned a lot about the policies that are helping and hurting the homeless community. Policies like permanent housing helps the homeless community. This policy demands affordable housing with services attached to help people get back on track. The best way to solve homelessness is to make housing more accessible and affordable. Essentially, that's what this policy and the Gathering Inn are doing. They are offering people with homes, with food, access to medical and dental, and services to help them recover from mental illnesses and/or substance abuse disorders. However, some policies like Housing First are working against the homeless community. Housing First offers affordable housing, but it isn't paired with needed services like it is with permanent housing. With this policy, people have to be admitted into a home before they can receive any outside help. The policy needs to be reworked to attach services with their home. This will ensure that the homeless community is being helped. We have a bigger problem than I imagined. 8.9% of the population is living below the poverty line, which is about 12,000 people. 8.7% of these people are male and 9% are female. There are many different age ranges of people who are suffering from homelessness. 6 and under is almost 10%, 7 to 11 is 7.5%, 12 to 17 is 7.8%, 18 to 59 is 8.5%, 60 to 74 is 10.2%, 75 to 84 is 7.2%, and 85 and above is 10.2%. There are plenty of resources available, but they aren't reaching or helping those who need them the most. This is what homelessness looks like all over the world, not just within my community. Homelessness is a problem, a big problem, and the homeless population is rising every year. I keep asking myself, what can we do as a society to help solve this problem? There are many different things we can do as a society to help the homeless within our own communities. For example, public awareness, clothing and food drives, volunteering at shelters, soup kitchens, etc., working as a community to create better and more useful solutions, opening more shelters, creating a list of resources to pass out to the homeless community, and creating kits to keep in your car with essentials such as snacks, hygiene products, pet food, clothing, etc. My innovation. My innovation is aimed to help people who are suffering from homelessness a way off the streets and back into society. It's a volunteer program that allows homeless people to gain work experience by volunteering their time at local shops, restaurants, and stores. After 80 hours of volunteering, they will be offered a paid position at the place they were volunteering at. If that place doesn't have any paid positions available, they will be required to find them a paid position elsewhere. Currently, my city doesn't have a resource that allows the homeless to get back into the workforce and build their resumes. Giving them this chance to gain the necessary work experience will allow them to re-enter society with ease. My program includes a center downtown where people will be able to get dressed, eat, and bathe before they arrive at their job. The center will provide them with professionals who will assist them in opening a bank account, learning how to budget, save money, apply for homes or apartments, help reconstruct their resumes, and many other resources to get them back on their feet. With my unique innovation, people within my community will be given the opportunity to re-enter the workforce, gain needed experience, build a resume, and begin to successfully re-enter society. Who am I? There are many different things I value that also align with my skill set. Productivity, collaboration, vibrant attitude, excellent at listening and offering advice to others. I'm also very dedicated and driven when it comes to my work and my goals. It's important to show those around you who you are at your core, everything that you stand for, what you do, and why they need to pay attention to you. I get to move people off the streets within my community, transition them back into society by removing obstacles through getting them the work experience they need to re-enter society successfully. But after research and innovation, I realize I'm a global citizen who is striving to learn the needs of my community and the world around me. I value the people around me for what they have to bring to the table, their view on the world, their culture, morals, etc. I am very determined to use my many skills, collaboration, productivity, uplifting attitude, and excellent listener to connect with my fellow global citizens. This will allow me to take an empathetic and knowledgeable human-centered approach to solving the homeless problem and allowing them to re-enter society with ease. How will my innovation help the community as a whole? It'll make a more productive workforce, better economy, will lower crime rates, save us on money on taxes, medical care, daily expenses, etc. My proposal is that my community and those around me work together to provide homeless with resources that build them up. They need to learn how to get back into society, which is why I created my innovation. These people need help getting back on their feet and learning how to be an active citizen within their own communities. In order to create these communities environments, people need to donate their time, money, or resources. We need to work together to create these environments. This is the solution to ending poverty and homelessness. Thank you. And then these are my resources.